The middle class continues in the same level. They find it hard to progress to an affluent lifestyle. No matter how hard they try, they can't escape the middle class trap and rise to the next level. What is stopping them from reaching the next step? A tiny hole in a water tank makes it really hard to fill the tank. Similarly, leakages in the spending, saving, and investment habits of middle class may prevent them from becoming wealthy. In this video, let's see how to stop those leakages and come out as a successful investor. And let's understand how to escape the middle class trap and become wealthy. Welcome to holisticinvestment.in. First, let us look at the financial dilemmas of the Indian middle class. One set of people is reluctant to take risk and invest, but the bitter truth is risk-free returns are too low. Some investors think that they have a high risk appetite and invest in stock trading, crypto trading, and market-linked life insurance policies, but due to lack of proper guidance, they get stuck and lose their hard-earned money. A tap on Google search engine brings up a flood of pages related to savings, finance, and investment, but they don't get the exact solution for their queries. These web pages may lead to more confusion rather getting clarity. Sometimes they may end up with a wrong choice like investing in a ULIP or chit fund or improper stock picks. They may lose their capital either in unregulated investment or in an inappropriate investment product. Next, are you taking control of your finances? Here, taking control of finance means managing your investments. Many people find it difficult to manage their finance. Why do they feel so? This is because they don't track their income and expenses. They hardly know how much money is invested in a particular product or any asset class because the investment details are not consolidated. Some documents may be in physical form and some may be in electronic form. A few FD receipts, few bucks in mutual funds, some stocks in demat account, chit fund, gold, etc. Many investments have been taken at different time for some reason. Not all of those investments are perfectly aligned with their financial goals. All these put together make them feel that they are out of control. Some people either hesitate to fix this or they may don't know how to kickstart and fix this issue. Next, stuck in regretful investments. Investors may make an investment decision without sufficient knowledge or proper research. This may result in mismatch in the investment's risk profile and time horizon with their financial goals. Right from ULIP, mutual fund, crypto, real estate, or any asset class may suffer loss if the investor makes emotional decisions. They regret for their investment decisions later. In the initial years, an investment seems to be a perfect choice and they may perform well. But down the lane, it may turn out to be a wrong choice or they may continuously underperform. The following are the perfect examples. One may say, I thought the sectoral mutual fund would do well, but the sectors hasn't picked up. And one may say there was a prediction that the new IPO stock would fetch a higher price when it got listed, which turned out to be a false statement. And one may say, I didn't expect that ULIP policy to have so many charges. Next, lack of futuristic view. What is the reason for this unfortunate situation? Why they couldn't arrive at a right decision? Investors' mindset is very shorter. They fail to have a long-term approach towards the investment and its implications. Investment decisions made with a narrow perspective turn out to be a trap later on. They don't have a 360-degree view of their investment journey. If they have a holistic approach and have a clear timeline for their goals, they can make the most appropriate investment decision that they won't regret later. Gaining financial knowledge is very important to develop a futuristic view of investment. But the problem is that we are surrounded by amateur financial advice. Many times people fall for this advice and make their financial planning even more complicated. It is always better to consult a professional financial planner for a comprehensive financial plan. Next, ignoring the fundamentals. An investment decision taken without understanding it in detail will lead to losses. It is questionable whether they realize the magnitude of the loss. Let us understand this with the help of a scenario. You have a total investment of rupees 50 lakhs. You may think that what's wrong if I redeem rupees 1 lakh from that and invest in F&O trading or crypto. Even if I lose, what great harm will it do to me? There are two aspects in this. First, the chance of loss are high in these investments. The chances of recovering from this loss is low. Due to unexpected performance, this 1 lakh investment leads to a loss of say 50%, then the current investment value is rupees 50,000. To break even the loss, the investment needs to earn 100% return so that you get back your 1 lakh capital. Similarly, if you lose 90%, then the investment should yield 900% from there on to recover from it. The chance of loss is high, but the chance to offset the loss is low or almost nil. The second thing to understand is that the money lost is equivalent to a seed. Over a period of time, a seed grows into a tree. Similarly, this 1 lakh can compound and can become a sizable corpus down the lane. This is technically called as opportunity cost. Let us understand this with a real-time figure. If someone invested rupees 1 lakh in Nippon India Growth Fund 28 years ago, the current investment value is 2.79 crores. Even if 1 lakh is invested in any other equity mutual fund, it would have been worth rupees 1.75 crores now. Here is our summary. We need to understand the fact that lack of financial knowledge may lead to wrong investment decision. This will not only affect your current financial position but also derail your future financial goals. The current loss may seem to be small now, but you miss the opportunity to grow it for your future goals. The Indian middle class is the backbone of our country. They are the major driver of economic growth. They have a larger disposable income, making our economy as consumption powerhouse. This consumption phenomena protects the economy during crisis. Breaking the barriers and raising the bars will help them as well as the country to prosper. If the middle class doesn't travel down the wrong investment path, they can escape the middle class trap. If they address the leakages, definitely they can sail against the wind and reach the destination. A detailed blog post on this topic is available in our website and the link is given in the description. Hope you like this video. If you have any questions related to this or any other investment option or related to your financial goal, don't hesitate to book a free appointment with our financial planners. The link to the free booking is given in the description box below. Also, will you be interested to attend any insightful investment webinar? Then feel free to register for the upcoming enlightening investment webinar. It is completely free. The registration link for the upcoming webinar is also given in the description box. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up. Also, share it with your social circle. If you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel so far, please subscribe now.